PNC Arts Center, violations, defense attorney. The PNC Arts Center is a concert arena located in Holmdel, Monmouth County, New Jersey. Each summer, they sponsor and sell tickets to many, many, many concerts. And many young people attend these concerts. What they don't understand is that the state police are, there in force to file complaints and arrest people who violate the law. Most of the people that go to these concerts are between the ages of 18 and 25 or so. I would say at least half the people are that age. And so the police are, of course, singling these people out for scrutiny. And, as is typical, they find things like underage possession of alcohol in violation of 2C 33-15. They find someone who's 21 years old who's making alcohol available to somebody under the age of 21. That's in violation of 2C 33-17. They find people who are possessing small amounts of marijuana without a prescription from a physician. They don't have a medical marijuana license. So they're in violation of 2C 35-10A4. They have paraphernalia to ingest that marijuana. It's in violation of 2C 36-2. If they have a syringe, then they don't have the prescription to have. That's in violation of 2C 36-6. And then, of course, there are people who are vocal and uncooperative in a crowd, and they get hit with something called disorderly conduct in violation of 2C 33-2A. Usually it's improper behavior is what they charge. So if you are one of these young people who have been charged with one of these events, or you're a parent of a young person who has been charged with one of these events, here's what you need to know and how I can help you. These are typically charged as disorderly persons offenses, which means they are criminal events and you can get exposed to a state police criminal record if convicted. Now, if convicted, you're exposed to a fine of up to $1,000 per count, okay, on most of these kinds of offenses, plus possible jail from 0 days to 180 days, although it's very rarely is there any jail time meted out in the sentence. But possible loss of your driver's license for both the alcohol and the marijuana offenses of up to 6 months typically, although for marijuana it can be up to 2 years with paraphernalia, or if you're in a motor vehicle and you are apprehended in possession of marijuana or paraphernalia. And, of course, the dreaded 2C criminal record on your state police record. Now, what you need to know is that that state police record is probably the most important part of the entire punishment. Because why? Because it follows you and it can preclude you or make you ineligible to work for certain state agencies or entities. And certain private industries won't hire you either. For example, you can never be a New Jersey school teacher, and if you want to be a school teacher, you would be precluded if convicted, and you have the 2C criminal record. Suppose you want to work for FedEx, not a bad job, but are they going to give you a truck that costs $120,000 and another $100,000 a day worth of stuff to deliver if you have, for example, a record for possessing marijuana and paraphernalia? Maybe, maybe not, but it's not a good thing. I've handled hundreds of these cases. My office is located within 5 miles of the Holmdel Municipal Court in the PNC Arts Center. What I do for people is I get these charges changed to something less bad with non-criminal resolution. It's important if you care about your son or daughter's future, if you are a young person and you can just think about what you will want to accomplish in your life 2, 3, 5, 10 years down the road. You want a house and a car in the driveway and a couple of kids. You have to make real money to do that. And, if you have a criminal record, that can be compromised. And that's not a good thing. My name is Stephen A. Gravatt. My telephone number is 732-337-3666. 7922. If you or someone you know has been charged with one of these criminal events at the PNC Art Center, I can help you avoid conviction. Thank you.